In this quick video, I want to show you how to empty out the dirty water out of any Bissell carpet cleaner. And it doesn't matter if it's a portable one like this or if it's one of the upright versions. They pretty much all work with the same way. So on one side you have your formula and your clean water, and that should all empty out into your dirty reservoir. So it's usually going to be on the side that's bigger, and it's usually going to have a lift down handle like this that's bigger than the cleaning handle. So the only thing you have to do is put it upright and lift. And all these are a little bit different depending on what model, but they open up with the same principle. So on some of the models, you just lift up all the way straight up, and you'll see a little indentation right here, free up. So it's like a little space that opens up, and then you can lift. If it takes force, then it's probably not opening it up correctly, and you don't want to break it. So with this particular one, this is a Spot Clean Pro, you actually have to put a little bit more effort and get all the way down, and then you'll see it opens up like that. And then of course, you take it to a bathtub or a bathroom sink, and then you dump the dirty water in and clean it out. And there's some of them that actually have like a plastic, almost like a plastic placenta that's underneath it. There's ways to get to clean that one out fully. I'll put a link at the end of this video on how to clean those. Fairly simple to do. And also we'll link up the full tutorial on how to use and operate a portable Bissell or one of the upright ones that uses to clean full carpets. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what version that you have. What model do you have? You have a Spot Clean? Do you have a little mini green machine? Let me know.